neurons: sensory neuron, relay neuron, and a motor neuron. In a resting state inside of a neuron, the inside of a neuron is negatively charged. When activated by a stimulus, the inside then briefly becomes positively charged. This causes an action potential in which an electrical current goes from cell body down the axon. When it reaches the end of the axon, it triggers the release of a neurotransmitter from the vesicle. Neurotransmitters are chemicals that diffuse across the synapse to the next neuron. Once neurotransmitters crosses the gap, it is then taken up by the postsynaptic receptor site on the dendrites of the next neuron. A chemical message is then converted back into an electrical impulse, and the process of transmission begins again in the other neuron. The reflex arc. The reflex arc, for example, a stimulus such as a hammer hits the knee. It is then detected by the sense organs in the PNS, which convey a message along a sensory neuron. The message then reaches the CNS, where it connects with a relay neuron. This then transfers the message to a motor neuron, which then carries the message to an effector, such as a muscle, which causes the muscle contract and hence causes the knee to move or jerk.